Integrity. Integrity is the concept of protecting the reliability and correctness of data. Integrity protection prevents unauthorized alteration of data. It ensures that data remains correct, unaltered, and preserved. Properly implemented integrity protection provides a means for authorized changes while protecting against intended and malicious unauthorized activities such as viruses and intrusions, as well as mistakes made by authorized users, such as mistakes, errors, or oversights from the users. For integrity to be maintained, object must be intentionally modified by only authorized users. If a security mechanism offers integrity, it means it offers a high level of assurance that the data, objects, and resources are unaltered or unmodified from their original protected state. Alteration or modification should not occur while the object is in the storage form or in transit or in process state. Thus, maintaining integrity means the object itself is not modified, changed, or altered, and the operating system and programming entities that manage and manipulate the object are not compromised. Integrity can be examined from three perspectives. First, preventing unauthorized objects from making the modifications. Second, preventing authorized objects or users from making unauthorized modifications such as mistakes. Third, maintaining the internal and external consistency of objects so that their data is a correct and true reflection of the real world and any relationship with any child peer or parent object is valid, consistent, and verifiable. Let's take an example of integrity. If someone was sending an online money transfer for $100, but the information was tampered during the transit, and in such a way that the transfer value changed to $10,000, it could prove to be very costly for that person and it is a violation of a data that was in a transit state. There are numerous attacks that focused on violation of integrity, and these attacks includes viruses, logic bombs, unauthorized access, errors in coding and application, malicious modifications to the data, intentional replacement of data or value, and system backdoors. There are numerous countermeasures that can ensure the integrity against possible threats, and these includes strict access control mechanisms, rigorous authentication procedures, intrusion detection systems, object or data encryption techniques, hashing, interface restrictions, input or function checks, and extensive personal training. Thank you.